So hello guys, welcome to my blog. Let's talk about subtracting integers. So we have given of this question number 1, positive 8 minus the quantity of positive 2. The rule of subtracting integers, we need to change the sign of the quantity. So dahil positive 2 yan, magiging negative 2. So first, copy muna natin ang number 8 and the sign at dahil change tayo na, ang sign na to is magiging positive. So copy the negative 2. So the rule of subtracting integers, no? So we need to change the sign. So, equals 8 plus 2 is equals 6. So copy natin ang sign, no, kung sino yung mas malaking number sa kanila. So positive. So answer natin dyan is positive 6. So number 2, negative 7 minus quantity of 8. So kaya ng kanina, let's copy the 7, negative 7, and dahil negative to, it's magiging positive dahil sa rule of subtracting integers. So at magiging negative 8. So dahil same sign naman sila, no, is copy the sign negative and add the 2 number. So 7 plus 8, so equals 15. So this is the answer, negative 15. Sorry, there, negative 15. Thank you for watching my video.